Do you find yourself having to open your window in order to open the door in your vehicle because your door handle's broken? Well, today we're going to show you how to fix that. Oh, hey, would you look at that? Oh, hey, look. That might have something to do with it. That fell out of there. Yeah, see that? Well, there's your problem. Yeah, this one right here, that doesn't have that. Yeah. Yep. There, now I'll be a little happier next time I have to replace it. All right, because we know what we're doing, we're gonna test it before we put everything back together. Locked. Unlocked. Locked. Unlocked. Oh. Ah. Oh, there we go. There one other one? This one right here. Oh, that's screwed in, Lee. Did you hear that? That sounded like money. Oh. Oh, I put the money down there. Oh, wow. That's pretty nifty. Don't break it. Good enough, huh? Ah. Ooh. Thanks for watching this week's episode of the Roy Garage. If you want to get our Roy Garage project planner, the link for it is in the description below. Remember, if you plan to fail, you fail to plan. Huh?
If you made it this far in our video, don't forget to click that like and subscribe button. It really helps out our channel, and you don't want to miss out on our weekly videos. We'll see you next time.
Dude, this is nice though. Man, I would totally have done this a long time ago if I knew how easy that was.